Okay, this is me replicating Nathan Old Man Bill's work, which was tremendous. I saw him getting Tesla's one wire energy transfer system, some form of radiant energy, I presume. And yeah, so I'm just using the DC input here. It's about 20 volts. That's a tuning bank for it, a tuning capacitor bank. It just really helps. You've got 100 picofarads here, 1 nanofarads here, tens, and then bigger ones here, but that's for other stuff. And using Sean Caldwell's his adaptation of schematics, his ZVS board, and that's a coil I had, and I just made the primary to do this test. 3D printed a top there, so I've got 4 rods that I can put in, but I'm just using one just for this test as it stands now. The rod has nothing connected to it at the bottom. I haven't looped it or anything like that. The bottom of the coil is grounded, and obviously just the ZVS is going into either side of the primary. The probe is there. It's about 10 millimeters off the edge of the secondary coil, and I'll switch it on and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, you need to have this switch here, because if you just turn on the supply, it just it doesn't trigger the circuit into oscillation properly, and it just pulls amps through everything and wrecks stuff. So this switch, it gives it that jolt. There it is, it's on, and yeah, 0.2 amps, so that's good, that's sensible. I usually get this blurry nonsense off the current probe initially, but what I will do is I will now start switching on each nanofarad. Okay, so that's 9 nanofarads there. Now once it settles down like this, I can start to switch them off. It's totally bizarre. And it increases the frequency, obviously, but it also increases the amplitude of the, let's see, if I go one too far, it shuts down. Let's see, nope, it's still there. All right, nice, okay. Interestingly, so the current probe is on the one wire coming off the brass rod, and it is showing 180 degrees out of phase with what the probe is picking up from the actual coil itself, which is interesting. About 1.64 kilovolts there, and it's what's that? Oops, that was me touching the. Oh, okay, let's try that again. I hit the wire. So I just put in all the other stuff again, get it back up and right there we go. It's totally weird the way this works, but anyway. I'll just show you as the one wire. I've got a couple of fluorescents here, and they get brighter and brighter as I reduce. I bring it down to literally 1 nanofarad. Now we're back to 1.64. The frequency is just under 700 kilocycles. It's about 695 or thereabouts. Moving around a little bit, but it's fine. And that's at 20 volts, 0.22 input. And as I said, there's just the 1 nanofarad is left on. Everything else is off. So I'll increase the voltage a bit here and just show you. So both the current response and the voltage response is going up, and just lit up brightly there. That's me up to, well, I'm at 30 volts. I'm not going to push the ZVS board because, unlike Nathan, I hate frying stuff. But look at that. This is I've only seen this until I saw Nathan do it. I have only seen this maybe once or twice online ever, and it is just so awesome to see. That is just one wire, and that's the end of it. That's the end of the wire. You can touch it perfectly safely. Oh, look. I guess that's either my heat or my capacitance that is causing more draw through from that single wire. It's just incredible. A wonderful thing. Thank you, Nathan. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.